Hi everyone, this is Cody with BridgeCom Systems, W3AMG, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Vanity call sign. So first up, let's jump over here to the computer, open up a web browser, and you need to go to the fcc.gov. Now I have a shortcut link to the login for your account manager, so go ahead and just plop that in. I will include this link in the video description. Now at this point you're going to need your FRN number. Now if you have a call sign, you already have an FRN number. If for some reason you've actually lost this number, you should be able to track it down in an email, and if not, you will need to get this number somehow. So I'm going to put in my FRN number, and then you need to put in your password. Now if for some reason you forgot your password, work with the FCC to reset it. I don't know exactly how that process works, but I'm sure there is a process. Okay, so once you're in the database, just go to My Licenses. Now I've been playing around with it, so it's on a different page here. Okay, so you should be on the My Licenses tab. Now you can see your current call sign. Now in this case, I've already applied and got my Vanity call sign, but you can see over here, now yours will just be a regular call sign at this point. So what you want to do is go over here to the right, and where it says Request Vanity call sign, go ahead and click on that. And then just, obviously depending on your application, change these to whatever is correct, but in this case it's no. And now here is where you can choose what type. So if it was a former person or a relative, something like that, this is where you select what type of Vanity it is. Now in this case we just want to pick one that's available, so I'm going to select Primary Station Preference List and click Continue. Now this is the fun part. This is where you get to put in what call sign you want, and you can put in up to 25 different options. So the way this works, I'll put in a few here. So let's say number one, W3AMG, got declined. That's already taken, or for some reason they won't issue that. They would drop down to number two. So okay, number 2 AMG. Let's see if that's taken. Then if that's available, they'll give it to me, or if it's not available, they will go down to the next one on the list, so on and so forth. So you can fill this list. You don't have to put in any more than one, but you can fill up all 25 if you want. It's just a priority on what call sign you would prefer to have. So I just put a few options in when I got mine. Obviously you can, if there's only one you're interested in, do that, and you'll have no chance of getting one you don't want in that case. And then after that, just go ahead and click Continue. Now because I already have one and I'm happy with it, I don't want a second one. I'm not going to continue, but it's just going to ask you for some more information, just asking, just more information, personal information, stuff like that. Just go ahead and fill that out, and then it will take almost exactly 18 days from when you place your application to when you receive it. It's what they told me, and it was spot on. 18 days later, I had my Vanity call sign, logged on FCC to check it, and sure enough, it was there. So hopefully you liked the video. If you did, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, leave a comment below of your Vanity call sign and when you got it. I'd love to hear about it. And I will see you in the next video. This is Cody W3AMG from BridgeCom Systems. 7-3.